If you file a tax return late and you know for sure that you owe the penalties, firms are reluctant to send that claim into us because they think the IRS will abate the penalties ultimately and there won't be any penalties due. They let the client know, so they are fully aware that there is a potential claim to be made because the CPA is no doubt responsible for the late filing of that tax return. And so what we see is that they will let the process play through, which could take 1, 2, or 3 years before the IRS makes a final determination on whether or not they're going to abate the penalty. By that time, not just with our policy, but with other coverages, other companies' policies, there's a reporting requirement in there. Normally, it's only 60 days within the time that you are aware of a claim or have reasonable expectation of a claim. So, if I'm sitting there and I read that we filed the return late and we owe a $200,000 penalty, I think that qualifies as reasonable expectation of a claim because it's the CPA's fault that it wasn't filed. So before you do anything, even before you maybe contact the client, I would suggest that you contact your insurance company and let them know what occurred, let them know the circumstances of what occurred and the estimated penalty. The insurance company may actually even be able to get another attorney in to help you deal with the IRS and actually reduce that claim payment, that penalty. So it's to your advantage. Don't forget when something like this happens to contact your insurance company first, contact the client second. You could fall on your sword after you hear from the insurance company, but don't wait. And this just doesn't apply to tax issues as well. I would suggest that anytime there is a threat of a claim or anytime there's an instance in which you believe a claim could be made, the first thing you do is you call your insurance company.